Traders, August 29, 2018. It's a Wednesday after the market close. Going to report on ticker symbol HEME. Just providing another trading report on HEME. It's been trading sideways in this triangle range. And if you've been watching my tutorials, I stated before, let me just remove this line. I stated before that we're in a trading range. I don't like this trend line, excuse me. We're in a trading range, and we want her to break this trading range. Alright, so this is what the trend looked like, and I'm sure if you look at my previous trading tutorials on HEME, you'll notice that the trend lines are pretty much the same. So right now, HEME updated their share structures for today based on the current share structures. Just a simple update. But what that did was that gave investors confidence to buy HEME. Now, we're at the resistance level. I was hoping that she would break above and close it for the day, and that's what I really wanted. I wanted a 7.5 close, a 0.0075. It's very volatile. I assumed it would happen. It was trading close to, I believe, 6.9 at one point. She traded up about 11% for the day. We have the MAC histogram right here that's trying to reach positive territory. And that's based on, obviously, this downtrend line. She breaks through that downtrend line and she gets to positive territory. As long as she closes above it, she's heading higher. So we'll wait and see what happens. I still think she's a long. A little slow, but you know what? She's catching up with the rest of the marijuana sector. She's in this tight trading range, but I honestly believe that she's going to outperform soon. Still waiting to see what she has. Slowly but surely, she's getting there. Tomorrow is definitely going to be interesting because we're in this trading range. You see how it's getting more narrow, these two, the uptrend and the downtrend. So we just want her to trade above this downtrend, and then she'll continue higher. But at the same time, since she's in this tight trading range, she could trade within this range. Right? Now, I don't think she's going to go through the support level just because it's very volatile and the float is low. So I think the value is already priced in per share on the stock. And what news and everything, and being, I guess, one of the largest medical marijuana producers at these price levels for the stock that's publicly trading where it is, it seems very, I'm not going to say tremendously undervalued, but it's undervalued for sure. So this is definitely a great play. Let's see what happens moving forward. I expect her to break this downtrend soon. Be nice if she breaks through right at the open and then just continues going higher and stabilizes at a much higher level than the downtrend by the end of the day prior to the market close. Once again, my name is Elman. You can follow me on Twitter. Visit my site, thetradingteacher.com, for upcoming live trading courses.